Yo, what's up, everybody? DB right here at GT Co. Live right here. But the most shocking thing to me right here at GT Co. 2023 is somebody you are seeing on the camera is bringing fashion to the next level, or taking fashion to the next level rather. But I will pass the mic to him so you listen to him. He has to tell us what that means in fashion. Tell us what kind of fashion you are bringing to people.
Yeah, so for me, fashion is art. It's as simple as that. Because as an artist, you sketch. As a stylist, you sketch before you make your creations. So fashion is art. And I'm bringing it right here. I am art itself, I am fashion, and fashion is art.
Okay.
So I would like to say more about this. This is a character I'm working on. Its name is X. And X is here to create an inclusive society, a not discriminatory society, a non-judgmental society. I stand for all, and I'm a villain. So that sums it up. Welcome to GT Bank Fashion Weekend, and I want you guys to have fun, explore, just open your mind. There's so much you can learn from here. There's so much you can learn from me too. So I want you to watch out. Watch out for X.